Nissan South Africa have announced that they are planning to end the production of the NP200 half-ton bakkie at the end of March 2024. This comes after Nissan's inability to secure a replacement model for its NP200 bakkie for production at its Roslyn plant in Pretoria. A spokesperson at Nissan said, the immediate replacement model for the NP200 was planned to be built on an alliance-shared platform in Russia, but the geopolitical situation in Russia meant this was no longer viable. Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine and the subsequent war between the two countries resulted in a large number of countries imposing sanctions on Russia. Subsequently, Nissan South Africa announced its plan to cut about 400 jobs at their Roslyn plant in Pretoria as part of an employee reduction plan. The Roslyn plant will still continue to build its flagship Navara pickup. Nissan South Africa added, in line with our African strategy, securing a second model for production in South Africa is a priority, and a study into an alternative vehicle is already progressing. Until our future plans are confirmed, the business will be operating at reduced production volumes and needs to be responsible to maintain its long-term competitiveness. Stay tuned for more.